If you are still confused about determining the tags for the videos that have been uploaded to YouTube, you can use these two simple methods. For the first method, you can use the search feature on YouTube. In the search field, type the main keywords from the video that you have. As an example, I will use the keyword Rain After Effects. By typing these words, several keyword recommendations will appear, based on searches that are often used in the search feature on YouTube. From some of these keyword recommendations, we can use as tags in the video we have uploaded. For the second method, we can use websites from third parties to search for tags based on keywords or video tags that are already on YouTube. Usually I use features from ytubetool.com. Because this is a free version, we are only given 2 searches a day. On the YTube tool main page, we can search for tags based on keywords. If you have typed it, select Generate Tags. In the result column, several recommended tags will be listed that we can use. We only need to copy-paste those tags. For other methods, on this website you can also search for tags based on videos on YouTube. On the menu, select YouTube Tag Extractor. After that, look for a video that has the same theme as the video we have. Here I have found the target video. Copy the URL link of the video. Then paste the link in the YouTube video URL field. Click Generate Tags to see the tags used in the video. In the result column, we can see the tags used in the video. After doing a search for tags for our content, we can immediately use some suitable keywords. Those are the easy ways to find tags for videos that we upload on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.